Welcome to English with Hemayed. This is Hidayah. And today we're going to learn pronunciation and vocabulary. Now, did you know that one of the best ways to learn pronunciation is to learn words that rhyme? So today we're going to take words that rhyme with cake. When we say words that rhyme, what do we mean? We mean that we take the word cake and change only one sound. For example, ache, cake, ache. Okay, what does this mean? Ache means pain. This girl is having a stomach ache. She has pain in her stomach. Bake, bake. This woman is baking bread. She's cooking it in the oven. How about this word break? This is an image of a person breaking a stick. So he is separating it into two halves. Okay, break also means smash. Part 2. Break, break. What is a brake? A brake is a device that slows down or stops a vehicle. A vehicle like a car, a truck, a train, and so on. Fake, fake. Is Superman real? No, he's fake. So fake means not true or real, like fake news. Lake, lake. This is a lake. A lake is a large area of water surrounded by land. So you have water and then land surrounds it. Okay, you guys, well done. Click subscribe so you can stay updated. And good luck. Bye.